right, how to program and reset your Pl16, the TSA approved one, right? Very simple. So if the lock is closed, just press your finger on the sensor until you get basically the first blue light. Then you got 5 blue lights and the green, and you can close it. This will open basically with your fingerprint, right? But it will not open with any other one, right? So how to reset it? With your fingerprint admin, you keep your finger on the sensor, first blue and then first red. Hop, I just reset the lock, meaning now I can open it with every finger. So that's how you set. Maybe I'll show you again a bit closer. To set the lock, just take any finger, keep your finger on the sensor until the first blue, and then you need to do that 5 times. One more time, and there you go. Now my lock is basically set. It will not open with any of the finger, but it will open with mine, right? Hop, very simple. And I can actually now reset it. Keep your finger until the first blue, until the first red, and then 1, and I've just reset the lock. Hope this helps.